In today's video, I'm going to teach you how I use Circle.so. As an enthusiastic community builder, I find Circle.so to be a crucial tool in creating an interactive and engaging space for my audience. Let's dive into how I utilize this platform to its full potential and what it offers by way of features and advantages. To start, introductions are key. Circle.so allows me to create a warm and welcoming environment for newcomers. The platform makes it simple to set up a dedicated space for introductions where each new member can share a bit about themselves. I encourage everyone to say hello and to share their interests or experiences. This not only helps break the ice, but also sets a positive tone for future interactions. The initial engagement is crucial, as it sets the groundwork for community spirit. Now, on to setting up my community. I take advantage of Circle.so's customizable spaces to design an organized and easy-to-navigate environment. Each space can serve a specific purpose, such as discussion forums, announcement sections, or resource hubs. Circle.so's intuitive interface makes it straightforward to set these up, ensuring that my community members can effortlessly find what they're looking for. Consistency in design also helps maintain a professional appearance, which reflects well on the brand. Hosting events and live streams is a breeze with Circle. So, I love that I can schedule and promote these events from within the platform and even host them directly if needed. This keeps everything centralized, preventing the hassle of switching between different tools or platforms. Live interactions like Q&A sessions or workshops add an extra layer of personal connection and value to the community, enhancing member engagement tremendously. Circle.so also shines when it comes to using courses and content. Creating and delivering educational materials is an integral part of what I do. The platform's features allow me to upload course content, host virtual classes, and track member progress all in one place. This is a real game changer for delivering structured learning experiences, as it provides a seamless experience for both instructors and learners. Monetization and payments are another reason I'm fond of Circle. So, the platform integrates payment solutions, enabling me to effortlessly offer paid memberships or exclusive content. This not only generates revenue, but also allows members to access premium features and materials, adding value to their experience. Managing subscriptions and transactions within the same platform eliminates the usual complexities associated with monetization. Finally, automation and workflows save a lot of time and effort. I automate repetitive tasks like welcoming new members, reminding participants of upcoming events, and distributing resources. Circle.so's automation capabilities enable community leaders like myself to focus on what truly matters, nurturing the community and providing value rather than getting bogged down by logistics. So, there you have it, a comprehensive look into how I use Circle.so for building a thriving online community. I hope this overview has been helpful, inspiring you to explore the potential of this powerful platform on your journey to fostering an engaging, dynamic community space.